Good morning. Good morning. We are live. We are live. We are looking at the US30 charts right now. We are about to get into some trades here. Okay. We are looking at a new tool here called the CCI. The CCI. Okay. Obviously showing us overbought, oversold. We're obviously under the 200. Okay. We're obviously looking at US30. All right. And so again, I see a trade set up right now. All right. I see a trade set up right now. I see a trade set up right now. Okay, we are live. We are live. I see a trade set up right now at 29,350, 29,350, 29,350. If she comes back up, we're going to get in 29,350. So a sell limit 29,350. 29,350. $29,350 is where we're going to get in. We may have missed it. I marked it up and everything. 29,350 here. Okay, I saw her coming up to this level. I think that will come back. So we're using a new tool called the CCI. The CCI. Okay, and what we're looking for is we're looking for her to come up into an overbought kind of area, and we're going to look at obviously do some testing on what that looks like. And if we can take that entry, okay. So again, what we're looking at is we're looking at an overbought. We're looking at an overbought area. Okay, look at this overbought area here. Okay, overbought area in the green. Look at that down. Okay, so again, 29,351, 29,351. If she comes back up into 29,350, 350 area, we will definitely take it. As you can see, she literally came in, tapped. And this was like right when we were getting on this session, so we missed that opportunity there. But again, that's exactly where we want to be. 29,351 for a sell limit. 29,351 for a sell limit. Okay, 29,351. And again, 29,350. That's a bank zone. Okay, so what you'll understand is I trade off of bank zones. Every 50 increment is a bank zone. Okay, we trade US30. That's all that we trade here. All right. We look at US30. That's it. We scalp US30. Welcome. We're on TikTok. Welcome. Welcome TikTok, Facebook. Welcome YouTube. Let's go. Again, this is not a training session. This is a trading session. Okay, we are scalpers. So again, I'm going to be patient. I'd like to see her come back up to 29,350 area. Okay, I'm not going to try to force anything right now. We can definitely look and see if we can catch a break here at 29,200. 29,200 if she continues to fall. Okay, as you can see here, we have this new tool up, and I've been kind of doing some back testing on it. It's called the CCI. It's called the CCI indicator. Okay, and what it does is it's really looking at the zero. Okay, and anything above the zero is obviously an uptrend. Anything below is a downtrend. And then obviously, if we break the negative 100, we are oversold. If we break the positive 100, we are overbought. Okay, and if you look at what she's done when she's become overbought, okay, it's a great tool. So again, if you look at here, okay, overbought. Okay, overbought. What did she do? She fell. Okay, again, we just have to be careful as far as what our entry is and where we get in. And that's where bodies, that's where candles, that's where candle wicks come in, is just really looking at wicks, things like that. So again, right before we got on this, I actually set up 29,350, and then she just fell. She came up, she jumped up right before the 9 o'clock candle. She jumped up, tapped in as we were getting set up, and she fell. Okay, that would have been that would have been almost 50 points right there. That would have been a great scalp. Okay, but again, we're going to wait to see if she comes back up. We're going to wait to see if she comes back up. Okay, if she pulls back up, okay, let's mark off our halfway point of this zone as well. Okay. And again, we're under the 200. We're under the 200. Let's see. Actually, hold on 1 minute here. Let me see something here. We are actually, I'm sorry, we are actually above the 200. Actually, we're above the 200. We are above the 200. So we could be looking for an opportunity here in oversold. Okay. So again, I'm going to kind of switch up a little bit here. We're just doing some back testing. This gray is our 200. This gray is our 200, and obviously we broke it. So now we're above. We're above, and we've gotten more than 8 candles above, which tells us that we're definitely looking. So I'm looking for a buy. Okay, I'm going to look for this thing to come down into our oversold area. Okay, and what I'm looking at, to be honest with you, I'm looking at this right here. I'm looking at 29,150, 29,150 for a buy limit. Buy limit 29,150. Okay, we'll see if she comes down. We're going to keep our eye on this CCI here. Okay, 29,150. 29,150 is an area that I like though. All right. So again, we're kind of in between these zone. I'd like her to come down here, 29,150. And if we can get in, we're gonna get in. Okay. Okay, so obviously utilizing the CCI, we obviously want to be above or below the 200. Here we go. 29,150, we're about to get in, 29,150, and look at that, guys. We're coming into an oversold. We're coming into an oversold. Look at that. Okay, so again, 29,150, 29,150 is an area that we're looking at. Okay, we got 1:16 left on this candle. We're on a 5-minute right now. We're scalping. We have liquidity right here as well. Okay, we have stop losses right here. So we could see her potentially come below this 131 area. So let's just kind of be patient here and wait. Okay, I have it set at 29,150. If she pulls back a little bit, I'm okay with that 20-point pullback. Okay, so 29,150, 29,150 is an area for a buy limit. Buy limit. Okay, welcome Twitch, welcome Facebook, welcome YouTube, Zoom. Let's go. Okay, we are set up at 29,150. Okay, if your broker is has a discrepancy, get ready to do a market execution. Market execution at 29,150. Okay, we got 5 seconds left on this candle. Boom. There we are. Come on, come down just a little bit more. We didn't get in. We did not get in yet. Come down. If it tapped you in, you were already in profit. If it tapped you in, you were already in profit. I want her to come back down. I want a little bit better of an entry here. Let's go. Come back down. Come back down. Come pick us up. Come pick us up. Come pick us up. 29,150. 29,150. 29,150 or lower. 29,150 or lower. Okay. Look at that. We are in oversold area. 29,150. Here we go. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. Oh, did she leave us? Come on, come back down. Come back down, pick us up. Get ready. Come back down, pick us up. If you got in that trade, 777s in the chat if you are in right now. 29,150. Come back down, pick us up. Yes. 29,150, 29,150. Come back down. Take your profits. Take your profits right now and wait for her to come back down. Take your profits, wait for her to come back down. Do not lose those profits. She's going to come back down. Because the one thing that I see, guys, I see some liquidity down here. I see some liquidity down here. So I don't think that she came down as far as she's going to come. So grab your profits and just wait for her to come down a little bit further, get a better entry, and then we're riding this thing to the top. Okay, here we go. Okay, there's liquidity right here. There's liquidity right here, and she did not pick that money up. Okay, so again, she could possibly come down to this 131 area. Okay, so I'm actually going to put a buy limit at 130, like 135. I'm sorry. Let me see. A little bit lower than this. Right, actually, right here. I like this zone right here. I like this 29,100 actually. 29,100 for a buy limit. All I did is I just took us down to this bank zone, guys. I honestly feel like she's going to come down. She's going to pick up this liquidity. She's going to pull. She's going to hit this floor right here. And we can continue to see a fall. Okay. I'm also in at 29,150. I'm also in at 29,150. Okay. So again, sell limit 29,150 and sell limit 29,100. I'm sorry, buy limit. But again, if you, man, she is in profit from that 29,150. Woo! That was awesome. Bag me. Let's go. Look at that. Amazing. That's 70 some points, guys, just off that one trade. That's why we like US30. Because we can get quick bags like that. That's 70 points. You could be done. And again, look at this. Didn't lie. Came into oversold. Boom, shot up. Came into oversold, shot up. Get ready. She comes back down to 29,150. We're getting back in. Okay, get ready. We'll see if she comes back down and picks us up. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're entering back into oversold. We're entering back into oversold at the bottom. There we go. Boom, I'm in. I'm in. See if I can grab a deeper. See if I can grab something deeper here. But again, we're in right now. See if she comes back. See if she comes down a little deeper. Let's go. I'm in. Let's go. Huge, huge. Huge profits on that. Let's go. Let's go. I just closed out of that. Let's see if she comes back in. I'm out of that trade, guys. I'm not playing around with her. So let's see if she comes back down. That was amazing. That was awesome. Who got that bag just now? Let's go. Sevens in the chat if you got that bag. Sevens in the chat if you got that bag. Sevens in the chat if you got that bag. That was awesome. Perfect. We're just going to be patient. Again, guys, there's sessions when we take 20 trades. There's sessions when we take 1 or 2 trades. This is kind of one of them where we're gonna try something new. We're going to just be a little bit more patient this morning. We're gonna be a little bit more patient. Let's see if she comes back down to 29,150. Hey, get ready. Okay. 29,150. I'm telling you, 29,100 could be a zone. Okay. 29,100, just because there's liquidity that's here that she has not picked up. Okay, look, there was liquidity here. She came down, picked it up. Okay. So again, let's see if she comes back down. Look at this, guys. Look at this oversold. Oversold on the CCI. Oversold. Could not have called it better. Look at that. Let's go. Come back down, US30. Come back down. Pick us up. Come back down. Pick us up. Okay, she comes back down. We're going to also set it up at a buy stop for 29,200. She comes back down underneath 29,200. We're going to get in at 29,200. Okay, but we need her to come back down. We need her to come back down. Okay, we need her to come back down. Okay, if she lets us in, if she comes back down, if you could set up a buy stop, 29,200, get in. And let's just take her for a good, let's just set it up for 50 points. And you get out when you want. Okay, so again, I have it ready. Once she comes back down, I'm gonna get in. Here she comes. I want her to come back down. I don't want to take the sell limit. I want her to come back down to this 29,150 and then catch her all the way up. I want to catch her through the 29,200. So I want to take a buy stop, okay? So I don't think that she's going to limit here at 29,200. I think that she's going to fall back down, guys. I think she's going to fall back down. So we just got to be a little bit patient. We just got to be a little bit patient. You can also set up give me 1 second. Hold on. All right. Okay, we got to get set up here. Hold on 1 minute, guys. Okay, if you can get in at that 29.50 as well, let her come down. Let her come down. 29.250. I'm going to set it at 29.250. I want her to come down more though. I want her to fall a little bit more. I want her to fall a little bit more. I'm not ready to take that 29.250 because I don't think she's ready to go up yet. I think she's going to come back down. So again, I'd like her to come down to, if she comes down to 29.200, I'm going to set it up at 29.250. But again, like I just, let's just come back down. Welcome, welcome TikTok. Let's go. Share the feed. We're getting bags. This is a trading session. This is not a training session. Let's go. Okay, and again, this is just what I'm doing, guys. You don't have to do what I'm doing. If you feel comfortable with that 29.250, then take it. Okay, get you a small little bag. Again, she gave us 10 points. So again, you know, whatever you'd like to do. I just like to see her come down a little bit more. But again, she may have left us as well. Like I said, I can't predict what's going on here. All I can simply do is just based off analysis off you know, kind of where we're at. Okay, at 9 o'clock, we saw her bounce off this 29.300. We saw her bounce off this 29.300, came all the way down to this 29.150, and then shot back up. Okay, so let's see if she bounces again. I'm going to take a sell. I just took a sell. Let's see if she bounces. I'm in profit. Close. Let's see if she falls back down. I just took a market execution right there. Let's go. I'm in profit. I'm in profit. Let's go. Big drop. We got 58 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Let's go. Big drop, US30. I will take my bag once she gives it to me. We are overbought. We are coming into an overbought area. We are coming into an overbought area on our CCI. We're coming into an overbought area on our CCI. We got 29 seconds left on this candle, guys. There we go. Big drops. Big drops. I'm going to take this bag here. I just got in at the top of that. Boom. I'm out. I'm waiting on this other one. Let's go. We are overbought right now. We are overbought right now. Okay. Again, we just made an overbought area. Here we go. Let's go. I'm going to take my bag. I'm going to take my bag. Okay, let's go. Let's continue to fall. Let's get a quick bag here. Okay, let's get a quick bag here. Let's go. Big drops US30. Let's go. Big drops US30. Okay, so again, here's the deal, guys. What this tells us is this is a level that's being respected. She can't go much higher than this right now. Okay, she's got to come down and gain some strength. Okay, she's got to come down and gain some strength, guys. So again, we're hitting highs right now. We're hitting ceilings right now based off of this CCI. Okay, let me get this bag here as she comes back down. Okay, I'm gonna get this bag while she comes back down. Okay, and again, look at this, guys. We are in an overbought area. Okay, we are in an overbought area. Let me just grab this quick scalp. Let's go. Big drops, US30. Big drops. We got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Three minutes left on this 5-minute candle. I just took a market execution there at the top. And I'm going to take a small bag. Here we go. Boom, bag me, let's go. I took a small market execution at the top there and just took a small bag at the top. Okay, 29,300. 29,300 I like for a small scalp. 29,300 for a sell stop for maybe about 10 points. Okay, we got 1:47. I'm gonna take a market execution again at the top there. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Let's go. Woo. This is what she does, guys. This is what she does. This is how she moves. But also understand, she is overbought right now. She came and grabbed this liquidity. She grabbed this liquidity as well. All she's simply doing is doing what she's supposed to do. Okay? We just have to be patient for her to drop back down. Okay? I'm telling you right now that 29,150 is probably gone. Okay? This zone here is probably gone. All right? But we're just going to be patient here. We're just going to be patient. Okay, I'm in. Let's go. Big drops. Big drops US30. Big drops US30. We got 30 seconds left on this candle. We got 30 seconds left on this candle. We are in an overbought area right now. We are above the 100. We are in an overbought area right now. She is about to breathe. Okay. All right, we're just gonna be patient. Let's go. We got 5. We just opened up a new 5-minute candle. Let's go. Big drops. Here we go. Big drops. Let's go. Big drop US30. Let's go. Give me a big drop. All right, let me get this quick bag here. Off this drop. Let's go. Bag me. What the heck? Let's go. Big drop US30. Big drop. Come on. Big drop. Bag me. Yes, sir. Let's go. Big drop US30. Again, we see a turn. We see a turn on the CCI. We see a turn on the CCI. Let's go. Big drop, bag knee here in a second. We're waiting on this drop. Let's go. Big drop. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop. There you go. Let's go. Give me a big drop, US30. What's going on, TikTok? How's everybody doing? We're obviously in an overbought area right now. Big drops. Let's go. And I'm going to give you another trick on the CCI. Okay, when we come back down and we're in oversold and we're we're above the 200, when she crosses that next candle, when she crosses 0 and that next candle closes, that's when you get in. And look at that, we would have been in profit if we would have practiced that. But again, we're going to get this bag right now. We're about to get this bag. She's dropping for us. Big drop. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Big drops. Big drop. She's in an oversold state right now. I mean, overbought. I'm sorry. So she's got to drop. It's not a matter of if. It's a matter of when. It's a matter of when. We're just being patient. Let's go. Big drops, US30. Okay, so again, let me explain the CCI. Okay, the CCI, we want to look for overbought and we want to look for oversold. When this thing crosses, when this scanner crosses the 0, okay, we want to wait for the close of that candle and we want to get in. So we would have gotten in on this candle and we'd be in about 100-point profit right now. Okay, so again, we want to make sure she crosses, because look here, she crossed, but then she fell back down. Okay, so we want to make sure that we close above, but we also want to be careful, because again, we obviously don't want to get caught. Okay, but again, this was a great opportunity here. Also right here, look, she broke right here, she broke it. And again, if you would have gotten in at the close of this 5 minute, boom, you could have taken that whole ride. Okay, so again, let's go. We're in overbought right now. We're just waiting for her to drop. We're just waiting for her to come back down. Okay, big drop. Let's go, US30. Big drop. We're just going to be patient right now, guys. There we go. All right, we're about to get out of this trade here. Let's go. Big drop. Okay, and ultimately what we want to do is we want to wait for her to come, because again, we're over the 200. We want to wait for an oversold. Okay, we want to wait for an oversold opportunity. We want to wait for an oversold opportunity. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this oversold opportunity that we got into here earlier. We took a scalp, but again, look at that. You could have stayed in that thing. You could have stayed in that thing almost 200 points. Okay. Again, this is kind of a scanner and an indicator that I'm kind of new to. So again, I've just been back testing. I've just been doing some testing on it. Okay, so again, it's definitely proving to definitely be a great opportunity here. So we just need a big drop. We need a big drop. We're going to get this bag here. We're just being patient. We're just being patient right now. We're 36 minutes into this session. We just need a big drop. Let's go, US30. So this isn't a scanner. It's just an indicator called the CCI. It's called the CCI indicator. That's literally what it's called, the CCI indicator. Yep. And so what this CCI indicator does is it shows overbought and it shows oversold. Okay. If you're above the 200, we're looking for buys. If we're below the 200, we're looking for sells. Okay. Obviously, right now, she's in an overbought stage. Okay. So she's got to come back down. Okay. She's got to come back down. Very similar to what we saw here. Okay. Look at this. She came up. She came back down. Then she came all the way back down here. And this is, if we're looking for buys, this is where we're wanting to get in. Okay. So on this session here, there are some people on this session that actually caught this bag at 29,150. I did catch a small bag at 29,150 as well. I got out about 50 points. Okay. So again, what I'm doing now is just waiting for her to come back down. I'm just waiting for her to come back down. So we're just going to be patient right now. Okay, so again, here's the deal. Okay, so when we look at where she's at overbought wise, we look at where could she potentially come back down to be oversold. I see a potential area right here at 29,300, maybe 100-point drop. Okay, look at this drop here. This was she came in over here. She then dropped to overbought here. So that was 200 points. So that was about a 200-point drop that she had before she was oversold. Okay. So again, we just have to kind of look at what does that look like. Okay. She's obviously making higher highs. Okay. She made a higher high here. She's a higher high here, a lower high. I'm sorry. Okay. So she made a lower high, a lower high. Okay. And again, she just broke this area. So what is she going to do? She's most likely going to come back down here, retest, which she could possibly retest maybe here. She could also retest here. Again, we don't know that. Okay, we don't know that. And again, we use scanners like this, the CCI, overbought and oversold, to definitely help us kind of gauge where to get in that entry. Okay. Any questions about that? Let's go. So again, we could also, here's the deal. Okay. She's about to she has to retest here. She's obviously in an overbought. So we're not going to continue to take buys right now because she has to retest. Okay, she has to retest. Okay, so there has to be a retest on this. She has to come back down. Once she crosses and we can get an oversold, then we wait for her to, if you want to continue to take her to the upside, you wait for her to cross the zero. Once that candle closes, when she crosses, that's when you get in to the upside. Okay, just like here, crossed here. If you would have got in at the close of this candle, you would have been able to take this whole buy. Okay, so again, we're looking for this thing to come back down right now. Okay, I'm going to take a quick bag here. Here she comes. Okay, we're coming up on the 45-minute candle. Okay, let's go. Big drop. Big drop. We got sellers. We got sellers on this candle here. Look at that wick. Okay. We had very little volume from the buyers on that candle before. Okay. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go, US30. Big drop. Let's go. And again, guys, this is simply just a tool. You know, obviously, the one thing is we want to obviously find tools that can assist us and help us. Okay, I'm a price action trader, but again, where do we get in? Where's the right place to get in a trade? That's a huge, huge opportunity to definitely figure out. Okay, let's go. Big drop, US30. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Okay, we're obviously waiting for a drop. Okay, how do you know she's going to drop? Because she's in an overbought state right now. She's in an overbought state. Okay, she's in an overbought state. Okay, so again, what goes up has to come, it has to come down. It's the way that the market moves. Okay, so again, we're just waiting for a drop. And again, we're scalpers, so we're in and out. We got a minute 37 left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Let's see, is this a level here? It sure is. 29,450. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Big drop, US30. Let's go. That was an amazing setup this morning. 29,150, guys. 29,150. Look at that. 29,150. If you were still in that trade, man, that's 350. That's 300 points off that one trade. Amazing. Again, I'm the deal. I don't fear of missing out. I got a bag. I got a nice bag this morning. Okay. So again, I'm just being patient right now. We're just waiting for her to drop. Here she comes. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go, US30. And look, you can see how she moved. Look, even on the 15, look at this, guys. Oversold, came back down, but did not come back down. Then became overbought. So again, look at this. She's been up above the zero. Okay. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop US 30. Okay, we're coming up on this hour candle in about 15 minutes here. We got 3 minutes left on this 5 minute. We're looking for a big drop right now. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Big drop. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes left on this candle. Come on, we need a bigger drop. Let's go, US 30. Look at this. That 29,150 trade, look at that. Man, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. She did it again right here, 29,150, 29,150. Look at that. Amazing. Let's go. Big drops, US 30. Okay, I'm just waiting on this drop. How low do you wait for it to go? How low do you wait for it to get? So obviously what I'm looking at the CCI, okay, the CCI, okay? What the CCI tells me is that she's overbought right now. Okay, so again, how low? Again, it just depends. So again, we can see an area here, we can see a floor here. Okay, just based off of this price action here. So again, she could possibly come back down here. Okay, to 29,350. Okay, but again, we'll see what this tells us here. So again, this 29,350. Could actually be an oversold area. We just don't know what that looks like at this point. Okay, so again, we just got to be patient. But I do see that as a predominant area. I do see 29,350 as an area. Again, we respected here. We respected here. She then finally broke that zone. So 29,350 could definitely be a zone that we definitely respect. We're gonna have to just wait and see. $29,350 would be a great zone for me to get out of a couple trades. Let's go. Big drops, US 30. Here we go. Big drops. $29,350. $29,350 looks like a good zone. Again, she respected here. She respected here. And then we finally broke through on this 925 candle. Okay, so again, I could see us possibly respecting this 29,350. Let's go. Big drops. That's about a 100 point drop right now. Let's go. Big drops, US 30. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. Yeah, 29,350 is a nice zone. 29,350, look at this. Respected, 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 respected. 29,350 is a nice zone for her to bounce off of. 29,350 is a nice zone. Also, 29,350 could be an area where she kind of comes down to become oversold as well. Okay, so we want to just keep an eye on that. We want to keep an eye at 29,350 as a retest area. Okay, let's look at something else as well. Let's see if we can find a fib. Okay, 29,350. Here we go, big drop. Here's our drop. Let's go, big drop. Let's go, big drops. Again, here we go, guys. Look it. We want to see her break, come down oversold, and that's where she's going to respect. Okay, when she comes down to oversold, that's where she's respecting. Okay, but again, she can turn around at any point. Understand that. Okay, but we're gonna see if she comes down oversold. If she comes down oversold, that's gonna definitely be where we obviously we're gonna see if 29,350 is that oversold area. Okay, let's go. Big drops, US30. We're still overbought on the 5 minute. We're still overbought on the 5 minute where we got in. And look, guys, she doesn't just shoot straight down. Look at patterns here. She came up, okay, then she came down. She then came back up, then she fell, then she came back up, retested, then she fell, then she came back up, retested, then she fell again. Boom. Okay. What's going on, TikTok? Let's go, big drops, US30. Let's go, big drops. I like to see her come down to this 29,350, guys. 29,350. We catch the bag through 29,400, and then all the way back up to 29,450. 29,350. I want her to come back to that 29,350 zone. Let's go, big drops. We got 4 minutes left on this hour candle. Here we go. Big drops. That's it. Let's go. We got 3 minutes, 40 seconds left. Great. We just broke that wick. Okay, I'm going to take a small bag on the way down here. Let's go. Big drops, US30. take a small bag real quick. Bag me, let's go. Okay, and again, guys, like US30 is not a currency that, again, everybody started on. Do you know what I mean? So again, like you guys are part of a community that this is what we trade, this is what we know. You know, I definitely am skilled in US30. I definitely, you know, don't call myself an expert in any way, shape, or form. There's obviously things that I'm learning, things that I'm getting better at every single day. But again, I've been trading US30 for a good period of time. I know how she moves. I know, you know, the opportunities with US30. But again, it's definitely not for you know, the faint of heart. Like, she moves very fast. You have to be prepared. You have to be ready for the way that she moves. So yeah. All right, let's go. Big drops US30. Let's go. Big drops. Here we go. Big drops US30. We're coming out of an overbought. We're coming out of an overbought. Okay. We're going to see, is our oversold at this respect zone, 29,350. 29,350. If you look at it on the minute, 29,350. Look at this. Respected, 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 respected. Then finally broke. Okay. So again, are we going to retest 29,350 and continue to shoot up? Okay, we got 10 seconds left on this minute candle. Okay, we are about to go into the 10 o'clock candle. 10 o'clock candle. Let's go. Big drops. Here we go. I do have a small little bag set up for a sell stop right here. Boom. 29,400. 29,400. Boom. I'm in. Let's go. Big drops. Let's go. Big drops. We got 25 seconds left on this candle. Here we go. Big drops. Yes, sir. Let's go. Big drops. Let's go, US30. 50 more points. $50 more points is kind of our respectable zone, to be honest with you guys. It's really where I see that there's a floor. Okay, it's where I see that there's some reason that we're gonna come against some support here. We obviously respected here. We respected here. Respected the zone here. Respected here, and then we finally broke through here. So 29,350 could be an area. And again, look, she's already oversold on the 1 minute. She's already oversold on the 1 minute. Okay, she's already oversold on the 1 minute. Okay, so again, I can see her. Look, when she reached, look at this. When she reached the oversold, she fell. She fell another 50 points, guys. So again, like I see this 29,350 being our zone. So we're gonna see how this plays out. We're gonna see how this plays out. Okay, we're just gonna be patient. We're just gonna be patient right now. We're going to be patient right now. Yeah, it did. I'm sorry. My battery died. Okay, let's go. Big drops. Big drops US 30. Big drops US 30. Let's go. Let's go. Big drops US 30. We're gonna stay live for just a little bit longer, guys. Let's go. Big drops US 30. And again, we've been looking at the 5-minute, guys, but as you can see what's happening on the 1 minute, look at this. Look at this. She came oversold on the 1 minute, and then look, she came all the way up here to overbought. So you can see kind of the area that she's trading in right now. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, Maribel, it's just hard getting kind of trying to set up. Like I got my phone going over here. I got, so just trying to utilize everything that I have going on here. But yeah, it was good. So let's go. Big drops again. Overbought. Okay, look. Oversold was at this 29,400. Okay. Let's go. Big drops. Big drops. Let's go. Big drops US 30. Let's go. Big drops US 30. We're looking at this 5 minute. This is kind of what we've been tracking. We can see on the 1 minute. Look at that. She's about to go oversold again. Okay, so I'm not sure if we're gonna again. We just need to be patient. Okay, let's go. We're 6 minutes over the hour. 6 minutes over the hour. We got 3 minutes left on this 5 minute. This is on the minute, guys. Look at this minute. Been oversold already. Been oversold. I like to see it come down to 29,350, to be honest. That's a nice zone for me. She's in the middle of this zone right here. But I'd like to see her come down and respect this area. So 29,400. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Big drops US30. We got 1:27 left on this 5 minute. Let's go. Big drops. Here we go. US30. There we go. Big drops. Let's go. Big drops US30. 19 seconds left on this candle. Here we go. There we go. Big drops. Here we go. Let's go. Big drops US30. Come on. Let's continue to fall. Let's break this 400. Let's get down to this 350. Come on. 29,350. 29,350 is an area that I definitely, it's a support that I really like. We respected it here. We respected it here. We respected this area here. We respected it again here. And then we finally broke through right here. Okay. So I'd like to see us come back down and respect it. Let's go. Big drops US30. We got 31 seconds left on this candle. .31 seconds left on this candle. 13. So we're in between the 1 and the 5 minute, guys. Overbought. 1 minute. As you can see, we're consolidating in between this area. Okay, we obviously broke right here. We came up here, fell back down, came up here. Now we're consolidating in this area. Okay, there has to be a move. We're either going to break down, retest even further, or we're going to break this zone and we're going to continue the upside. Okay, so again, as you can see, what this CCI is telling us as well is look how she's consolidating. She has very, very short oversold and overbought, very short. And again, it's right into this area. It's right into this area. Okay, so we need some bigger movements. Okay, we're just gonna be patient. I like to see her break this 29,400 and come down to this 29,350. We got 22 seconds left on this candle. $29,400. And again, we're just being patient right now. Okay, being that we're on top of the 200 on this 1 minute, when she comes back in to an oversold area, I'm going to go ahead and get in. Let's go big drops. Big drops, let's go. We're obviously consolidating between this 29,450 and this 400. 29,450 and 400, we're consolidating in between here. Okay, we're consolidating in between here. Okay, this is on a 1 minute. This is on a 1 minute chart, guys. Okay, we have structure right here at 29,400. Okay, when she comes back into an oversold, I will be getting in. Okay, so we're just gonna be patient. We're gonna wait for this oversold, and I'm gonna get in. Cool. I just took a little bag on the way down there, but again, I'm waiting for this oversold. Waiting for this oversold. Waiting for this oversold. Let's go. Come back down. We may only come to this 29,400, guys. 29,400 may be our area. Okay, let's just wait and see. Okay, let's go. Big drop to US30. Just be patient. Let's wait for the oversold. Okay, here we go. We want to look at oversold about 29,400 possibly. 29,400. 29,400 oversold possibly. Okay, we're on this minute. We got 46 seconds left on this candle. Again, what we're waiting on, guys, we're waiting for her to kind of come into an oversold. Again, she's consolidating in between this zone here. She's looking like she's wanting to continue to rise. Okay. Again, she's in an overbought state right now. She continues to fall down. Okay. You can see kind of where she's pulled back to. We are above the 200, so obviously looking for a buy. We just need her to pull back. Again, she's overbought right now on the 1 minute. So again, we're going to see where she falls to. She's obviously has not been falling all the way down and becoming oversold. Okay, so again, I like the 29,350 area. 29,400 has been respected as well. Okay, 29,400 has been respected as well. Okay, 29,450 has also had some respect. Okay, but she's kind of playing in that zone right now. Okay, so 29,400 could definitely be an area where, again, she respected here, respected here. So again, look at this, guys. She was overbought. Okay, then she fell back down. Came to that 29,400 area. And then she's obviously now approaching the overbought area again. Okay, but also you can see that that happened as well here. Overbought, came down, respected that overbought area, and then she fell. Okay. Let's go down on this minute. We're still in the sky right now. We're still in the sky. We're just being patient. How's everybody doing this morning? How's everybody doing? So I am currently right now, guys, I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am 11 trades. I am 6 and 5 right now. I closed out of some trades. 4 and 1. All right, great. Oh, nice. Good job, Maribel. All right, guys, we're about to wrap this session up in about 5 minutes. I literally don't have anything open right now. I'm just kind of waiting and being patient, seeing what she's going to come down to. Okay, a nice entry point. If you're looking like, you know, where can I possibly take the overbought? A nice entry point is when she actually crosses back down. Okay, because again, you don't want to, you know, obviously we want to try to catch her at her all-time high, but she can continue just to run. So again, if you can catch her at the, you know, at the close of this candle, okay, if you can catch her at the close of this candle, okay, and get in, you could take a nice little bag. Okay, so let's just try it. Okay, so again, we got 15 seconds left on this candle. At the close of this candle, 7 seconds, I'm going to take a market execution. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm in. I'm in. See if I can get a quick little bag. Boom. Nice little bag. Yeah. Yes, sir. Nice. So again, this is your entry, guys. Your entry is at that candle. The close of that candle. Get in. Okay, the close of that candle. Get in. And we took a nice little scalp. How many points was that actually? Let's see. That was literally 9 points. We took a nine little point scalp. Okay, so obviously what the CCI does is it shows us entry. It helps us with entry. It helps us with entry, okay? It helps us with entry. Okay, so let's get ready here. Again, when she comes oversold, look at this, entry. Boom. Close of this candle, entry. Look at this, close of this candle. Let me show you. Let me just be more direct here, okay? Look at this. Right here. Bam. Where is that close of that candle? Right here. Right there. The close of that candle, if you would have gotten in, look at that. Look at that climb. Where else could I have gotten in, Gabe? You could have also gotten in right here. Okay. The close of this candle. And look at that. It's an amazing tool, and I've just been back testing it. It's an amazing tool. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Yep. Okay. So again, if we're above the 200, okay, entry, close of that candle, entry, close of that candle. Okay, go back test it. Go back test it. Look at that. Close of this candle. Close of this candle. Look, boom. Nice. And again, we're scalpers, guys. We're not looking for big trades. You know, they're nice when we catch them. Great, awesome. But we're not looking for big trades. So man, I like D-Low. I like D-Low, honestly. That's obviously that's obviously what I use as far as my EMAs. I like the D-Low. I think it's great. I think playing off the yellow and the red, I think it's an amazing strategy. It just takes patience. You know what I mean? You just got to be patient. Like I said, discipline, consistent, and patience. Pick your strategy, set your rule, and don't deviate away from them. Do you know what I mean? All I'm simply doing, guys, is I'm simply just incorporating more tools into my arsenal. Okay? I know what I'm doing. I'm just, again, how can I get better at this entry? How can I get better at this entry? Okay? So check this out. We're about to go into an oversold. Okay? So we're going to wait. We're going to be patient. We're going to see if this thing comes into an oversold. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wait for that break on the upside. Okay? So again, we got 16 minutes left on this candle. 16 seconds left on this candle. We're not going to get in now because we don't know how far she's going to drop. Okay, we're not going to get in now because we don't know how far she's going to drop. Okay? Again, man, I've went through all of these strategies. D-Low is probably one of my most favorite. Impact, there's some things with impact that I really like. For me, to be honest with you, really where I'm wanting to really dive in and really dissect is entry. If you can focus on entry, you don't have pullbacks. You know what I mean? You focus on entry, you don't have major pullbacks, and you're not having to have huge stop losses. You know what I mean? So again, you can also leverage a lot higher if you're getting in at an amazing entry. Okay, so again, that's one area that I'm really focusing on, is really entry right now. Okay, so as you can see here, we're in oversold. We're not going to get into any trade right now because we don't know how far she can drop. Okay, we called out that 29,400. I'd like to see 29,350, another 50 points, and she could break through this zone. She could break through this zone. Okay, so here's the deal. We got 40 seconds left on this candle. 40 seconds left on this candle. Watch this. 40 seconds left on this candle. Market execution at the close of this candle. Market execution in 26 seconds. If she's still, okay. Nope. So I want to see her turn the opposite. I think she's going to continue to fall. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for this next candle. I'm going to wait for this next candle. I'm not getting in on this next candle. Yep. Okay, we got 57 seconds left on this candle. Okay, great. So she's showing me potential right now. So on the break of this, on the close of this candle, I will market execution. "26 seconds, 26 seconds, 22, 21, 20. I'm going to get in at this candle. I'm getting in. 14 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I'm in. Big push up. Big push up. Bag me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Again, we simply, I'm telling you guys, like that is where it's at right there. That was a little bag, but at the end of the day, like I told you, we're here to just throw jabs. We're here to throw jabs. That's all we're here to do. We're here to just jab. We're here to jab. Okay, now let's let her break down. Let's let her break back down. Okay. Now, where do we set up again? We set up right here. We set up at the 0. When she crosses the 0, that next candle, at the close of that candle, we get in. Absolutely. Little bags become big bags. You're absolutely right. That's it. That's the name of this game, guys. It's literally just grabbing your pieces, your little pieces. That's it. Boom. And if you do that enough, you get a big bag. Okay, here we go. Look, she's coming into the 0. When she breaks above, 24 seconds left on this candle. Okay, when she breaks above, all right, guys, we're about to close this session down. We're about to close this session down. So again, guys, thank you guys so much. We're obviously just going to continue to learn. We're going to continue to just grow. We took an amazing session. Again, I believe I'm 7-5. Obviously, one more than I lost. I'm actually obviously in profit for the day. So again, that's where we want to be. Okay. So again, guys, I hope that you can continue to learn. Again, just bringing heat, So again, thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. I will not be on tomorrow. I will actually be traveling tomorrow morning. I will possibly try to do something maybe in the evening, where I'm at, but we'll see. I definitely would like to try to get on Friday. So, we'll see what, I'm definitely taking a setup with me to definitely be able to do some trading. So we'll see what we get into, but I'll definitely keep you guys informed. Stay tuned to the Telegram. And thank you guys so much. I appreciate all your guys' support. Make today great. Take care. Bye bye.